Gear up for the ultimate outdoor cooking experience with the best camping cooking gear. Enjoy durable, lightweight, and easy-to-use essentials designed for adventure. From compact stoves to versatile cookware, everything is built for convenience and efficiency. Cook delicious meals anywhere with reliable performance. In this video, we recommend the 7 best camping cooking gear, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Odolin Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Odolin's 15-piece mess kit turns backcountry meal prep into a civilized ritual, packing a pot, fry pan, kettle, 2 stainless cups with silicone grips, twin plates, foldable forks, knives, spoons, a cleaning cloth, and a mesh carry bag into one tight bundle. Everything nests snugly at just 2.75 pounds, freeing pack space while expanding menu options. The anodized aluminum pot swiftly boils pasta, soup, or morning coffee water, and the non-stick pan browns veggies or bacon without stubborn residue. Fold out, heat-insulated handles keep fingers safe, then flatten for storage. A smooth pour kettle brews tea for sunrise views, while 230 milliliters cups stay cool to the touch. Durable 304 steel cutlery clicks open for dinner, then slips into mini sacks to silence pack clatter. Wipe plates and cookware clean with the included cloth, no creak-polluting suds required. Built light yet rugged, this compact kitchen powers solo trekkers or cozy duo picnics, delivering real meals far beyond freeze-dried pouches. Number 6. Happily Lily Camping Accessories. The Happily Lily Camping Accessories set is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, offering 16 essential tools for cooking and camping. This complete kit includes a storage bag, chopping board, barbecue fork, bottle opener, gloves, cleaning towel, frying spatula, bread clip, chef knife, and a 3-piece tableware set. Designed for camping, parks, travel, motorhomes, backyard BBQs, and parties, it ensures you have everything needed for outdoor cooking. Made from food-grade stainless steel and durable PP materials, it is non-toxic, BPA-free, and resistant to rust, warping, or breaking. The heavy-duty stainless steel and plastic structure provide durability, making it perfect for long-term outdoor use in any environment. All tools are dishwasher safe, ensuring hassle-free cleaning and maintenance after every adventure. It's an excellent travel gift for birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, anniversaries, and Christmas, backed by reliable 24-hour after-sales support. Number 5. Freehiker Portable Camping Kitchen Utensil Set. The Freehiker Portable Camping Kitchen Utensil Set is the ultimate 27-piece cookware kit, designed for outdoor cooking and grilling. Perfect for travel, picnics, RVs, camping, BBQs, and more, this set ensures you have everything needed for a professional cooking experience. It includes a storage bag, cutting board, barbecue fork, tongs, knives, wine opener, can opener, ladle, scissors, skewers, extendable barbecue forks, and a flatware cutlery set. The lightweight and ergonomic design prevents burns and skids, while the hanging ring feature makes drying and storage easy. Made from high-end stainless steel, these durable utensils are built to last and are dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. The compact storage bag allows extra space for customization, making it a must-have for outdoor dining. It's a perfect gift for birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, anniversaries, and Christmas, backed by excellent customer support. Number 4. Bomke Grilling and Camping Cookware. The Bomke Grilling and Camping Cookware set is a 35-piece comprehensive kit, perfect for all outdoor cooking needs. It includes a full camping kitchen set and utensils, neatly packed in a custom bag with extra compartments and 2 back pockets for better organization. Made from high-grade stainless steel, these durable, corrosion-resistant utensils are BPA-free, odorless, and dishwasher-safe, ensuring long-lasting performance. The tailored design keeps all tools securely stored, with individual pockets to prevent scratches during travel. Ideal for camping, tailgating, and outdoor adventures, this set ensures a hassle-free cooking experience wherever you go. The included barbecue grill set makes it a fantastic gift for camping enthusiasts, perfect for birthdays, Christmas, and Father's Day. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee and up to a 2-year limited warranty, Bombkey provides reliability and peace of mind for outdoor cooking. Number 3. Fortitude 21 Camping Gear. The Fortitude 21 Camping Gear set is a 21-piece cooking and camping accessories kit designed for effortless outdoor cooking. This lightweight, compact, fire-resistant, and heat-resistant set is perfect for camping, ensuring easy cooking and quick cleanup. It includes essential items like a knife set, barbecue tools, camping utensils, a travel spice kit, and a heat-resistant cutting board. Ideal for family outings, festivals, or glamping, this set is dishwasher-friendly for convenience and perfect for any adventure. The high-end grill tools and durable camping cutlery enhance your outdoor experience, providing everything you need for outdoor meals. It's the perfect gift for glampers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts who value both luxury and practicality. Number 2. Hasen Camping Cooking Set. The Hasen Camping Cooking Set is a 15-piece essential kit, ideal for camping, grilling, and outdoor adventures. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel and silicone, this durable set ensures long-lasting use without rusting or deformation. The silicone utensils protect cookware from damage, making it safe and reliable for outdoor cooking. The spacious storage bag keeps all accessories organized and secure, with individual pouches for each utensil. Compact and lightweight, the bag is easy to carry on trips, leaving room for other camping essentials. Perfect for travel, picnics, RV trips, and BBQs, this versatile set also makes an excellent gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 1. Weskany Camping Essentials Cooking Utensils Set. The Weskany Camping Essentials Cooking Utensils Set is a 25-piece kit, perfect for outdoor cooking and grilling. Made from food-grade silicone and stainless steel, this set is BPA-free and safe for non-stick cookware, preventing scratches. The long-handled tools, including a 12-inch tong, barbecue fork, and knife, offer safety and convenience for cooking over a campfire. This kit also includes 4 s'more sticks, 2 spice kits, and a brush, making it ideal for camping kitchens, BBQs, and RV travel. The utensils are packed in a compact organizer bag, ensuring easy transport and room for additional accessories. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.